Hi guys, welcome to Digital Talent TV. In today's video, I want to introduce you to a cool crypto mining platform that is helping a lot of people all over the world making three figure every day. This is just a simple to install software with already done for you crypto business that constantly generate high figure within the crypto market. So guys, right now, let's go into the video. So the platform I'm talking about is called Infinite Crypto. As you can see, it's a very clean platform. And according to Infinite Crypto, they said this new app makes us $72 daily on autopilot within just 3 minutes of clicking a button. No technical skill, no investment, and it is risk-free. That this makes us $50 to $100 a day. Simple to set up and forget. Only take 3 minutes to set up. Newbies are already getting results. Attend the laptop lifestyle, and it has 180-day money back guarantee. This is a very simple software to install, and all you have to do to get started with this software is to take just simple 3 steps. As you can see here, they said you are 3 steps away from making 3 figure a day. We have made it so simple that even if you have no technical skill, no crypto knowledge, no entrepreneurial skill, 3 figure a day is easily achievable. So to get this done, you have to take just 3 simple steps. And the first step here is to get access into the software dashboard, which is user friendly. Then the second step is insert the required details in order to initiate the cloud setup. Fast installation, 100% done for you. Then step 3, run your own crypto mining business and earn a commission. With these 3 steps, guys, you're good to go. And he said our crypto mining platform currently helps a bunch of clients all over the world to make 3 figure day by tapping into the booming cryptocurrency market with a done for you crypto business that constantly generates high figure within the crypto market. So guys, this is a new platform and a cool way of making money in 2021. As you can see here, they say it requires no technical skill, no effort, no work, no investment. You simply just set it up once and it takes just 60 seconds. It takes just 60 seconds to set up and you're good to go. This is a new platform that is generating constant income to a lot of people all over the world. As you can see here is a testimony of people who are making use of this app right now. As you can see, this one is from Lamino M. You can see this is his testimony about this great software that currently that is making about 10K every month with this app. And here is another testimony from Sander P. Even he rated this application 5-star. And here is another testimony from Andrea N. that currently he is earning around $5,000 a day on nearly autopilot. And as you can see, he gave it 5-star also. So guys, this is a very cool platform and a new software that is generating a lot of income. And after watching this video, if you're interested, we have the link in the description below. Just follow the first link in the description below and you will get this software done for you at a discount price. So guys, for more understanding, please watch this video.
Imagine being able to make an easy 3-figure per day income using crypto mining. Now, you can start making fortunes using crypto mining platforms. You already know that crypto is the hottest trend to make faster income. If you purchased a crypto coin in 2011, it was only $1. But right now, in 2021, it is $40,000. USD for one crypto coin. Crypto business is a very lucrative business right now. That's why we have created this awesome crypto mining platform for you to make tons of money. Introducing Infinite Crypto. Infinite Crypto is the world's first crypto mining platform that allows you to make three-figure income per day easily on autopilot. Now, in just 3 simple steps, you can start making money easily with Infinite Crypto. Step 1. Get access to the software's dashboard. Step 2. Insert the required details in order to initiate the cloud setup. Step 3. Run your own crypto mining business and earn 3 figures a day. Now, you can finally start living the life of your dreams with Infinite Crypto. Live a better, fulfilled life, traveling wherever you want. Now, everything is possible with the help of Infinite Crypto today. The value that you are getting, it's fair to charge $47 per month. The best part is, there is no monthly fee either. We are making it affordable for anyone to start a crypto mining business at just $17 for a lifetime. But hold on, that is not everything. We are also offering 5 fast action bonuses that help you get the best results with Infinite Crypto. Remember, you are covered with a 180 days money-back guarantee, so it is totally risk-free and 100% money-back guarantee for you. Price increases every hour, so click the below button and secure your copy now at a low one-time fee.
Watch the demo video.